Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Sophos account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.sophos.com/enus and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, as you can see, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. Let's scroll up. To log into your Sophos account, click on the sign in button over here and then click on Partner Portal. After that, write in your email address into the login area. If you don't have a Sophos ID, click on Create Sophos ID button over here and follow the instructions. After filling all of your information, click on this Continue button, and after that, write in your password into the login area. After that, click on Login button, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.